Well, Mattawan Mechanical Services is the local trusted leader here in Southwest Michigan in heating and cooling, providing quality services since 1992. Mattawan Mechanical was started by Tom Vaughn out of his garage in Mattawan. It's evolved from a one-man shop to a permanent place of business here on Red Arrow Highway with 15 employees. We offer furnaces, air conditioners. We install ductless mini-split systems for heating and cooling. We do boilers, do ductwork. We do a lot of stuff in residential replacement and residential new construction, along with light commercial work. So it's just kind of a big package of opportunity. The process of meeting with that homeowner is I arrive at the agreed upon time, and we do an assessment of the home called our Comfort Concerns Checklist. We go through to find out what's important to them and designing a system. Do measurements in the home, assess everything, assess the ductwork. I take measurements of the furnace and air conditioner of the existing system for retrofitting. Then we sit down with the homeowner and go over the good, better, and best systems that we provide this little pamphlet for them. And then ask them what is most important to them, what kind of system we'd like to design. And that's how I build the proposal around that and then provide that proposal to them. But when we arrive, we put down drop cloths all the way through the home down to where the furnace and AC is located at. They also put on boot covers to protect their boots from the home. The homeowner won't even know we were even in their home other than they have a brand new HVAC system. Train Comfort Specialists are independent train dealers that are at the highest level of every aspect of their business. They're committed to customer satisfaction, installation, service. They adhere to the highest standards that are required by Train. So that's what Mattawan Mechanical is. And how we adhere to that best practice is our post-installation, our quality control on the installation. And then we allow the homeowner to be able to rate us through Google reviews and through the Better Business Bureau. That builds the trust with us and that homeowner and for people who are searching for a quality contractor. That's what Mattawan Mechanical is. And that's why we're your comfort crew since '92.